When you were young, did you ever dream of stocking your fridge with a bunch of ice cream and drinks in the summer? Haha, now that's what I call a real summer fun fridge. Indulge as much as you want without worrying about an upset stomach. I really envy my daughter for having so many fun and delicious things from a young age. The usual routine: get a cardboard box, open it from the side, remove the short side, glue the long parts together, and do the same with another box. Then stick them together. Put the two boxes together, stand them up, and there's the basic shape of the fridge. Cut out the doors on both sides like this. Divide each section according to your preference. Remove the top half and cut 7 centimeters inward from the middle partition, then insert the shelves. Prepare 8 small boxes, add egg trays to 3 of them, and stick them onto the side doors of the fridge. Finally, prepare a few strips of paper and stick them on these edges to make the interior more refined. Add some color, draw your favorite patterns, install lights, and make sure it's small, portable, and can light up. This time, I've prepared a lot of delicious things like cakes, fruits, vegetables, and more. Fill up the fridge and create your own little summer fridge.